PowerPoint. In this tutorial, we want to learn how to create this PowerPoint template. Let's see the rest of the video. Don't forget, please subscribe now.
Creating this PowerPoint template, in first step, insert your color palette. Then, right-click on your slide, go to Format Background, choose Gradient Fill. In Color option, use eyedropper for selecting your color. For example, I choose this color. Then, we need only two gradient stops. One of them on a specific color and the second one is white. Then, you can change the direction of this PowerPoint template. We need two circles. Add the first one and draw it. Then, right-click on your shape and choose Edit Point. Edit your shape as same as you see in this video. Okay? Then, rotate it and make it bigger. And then change the color of this shape and remove outline. So, for selecting color, go to the shape option, solid fill, and choose eyedropper and pick your specific color. For example, this color. And then no outline. Draw other circle. Put it here and choose this color again. Duplicate this circle, change its color to white, and change the transparency percent. 70% is okay. And then go to the shape effect and change soft edge. Okay, you can make it bigger. Duplicate this shape and make it bigger and send it to back. Now it's time for adding your main picture. Add any picture that you want. For example, in this tutorial, I use 5 pictures that is related to type of salads. So I add my picture to this PowerPoint template, all of them. Picture to circle shape. For this, in first step, go to the crop option and aspect ratio, put it in 1:1. Then go to the crop to shape and select circle. Then go to the fill option and change the position of your picture. Okay, that's right. Crop it. Do it this step for all pictures. I crop all my pictures to circle shape. Then I add a line to them. For this, go to the picture format, picture border, select white color and choose white to 6 pt. Okay, then put it in as you see in this slide and others out of your first slide. Then, as you see, download any object that is related to the main picture. For example, a carrot is one of these objects that is in this salad. So I copy this object and paste it in my slide. For adding effects, go to the effect option, choose shadow, offset center for all of them, and put a size to 1:15 and blur option to 5 pt. And then add your text to your boxes. As you see, we have 5 types of salad here. Copy these items to my main items, and then we have this white line. For creating this line, I draw a line, put it here. I change the color to white and weight to 6 pt. Okay, for adding some change, select your shape. Go to the shape effect and add inner shadow and change its transparency and blur option. Okay, and also you can make a copy of this and remove the shadow and put the color to white color. Change the transparency, make this shape bigger, put it in an appropriate place, make it bigger again, and then go to the shape effect, soft edge, and change the size of this shape. Okay, and then go to the selection pane and change the position of this picture, these shapes, and send it to back. Another important step. For adding animation to this object, select all of them. Then go to the tab Animation, choose More, and select Zoom Effect. Go to Animation pane and start them with Previous. They need another animation. Select all of them again, go to Add Animation, and choose Teeter animation or any animation that is proper for your presentation. I start the first one after Previous. Another important thing, for adding this background, draw a rectangle and cover completely the slide. Okay, right click on your slide, go to Format Shape, Picture or Texture Fill, insert your picture. As you see, my picture is so stretched. For this, go to the Picture Format Crop option, Fill, and choose the place that I want. It's okay. Select Crop. Remove the outline and then change its transparency. 80% is a good transparency for this background. Select it and go to Selection pane and change the position of this background. Let's make other slide. Duplicate this slide, select the main page and bring it out of the slide, and select the second page and bring it to this slide. Remove all these objects and add another object that is related to second picture. Change the color to the color that is appropriate for this slide. For example, I choose this color for both of them. And move this line to second picture. Change its background. Right click on your background, go to Format Picture and Picture Texture Fill, insert the specific picture. Okay, and then change the background color. For changing the background, select the background and change its color. Okay, bring this picture closer and change your text and title. Also, you can add your logo and your text here. Other slides are same as you see in this tutorial up to here, but key point is select all slides that you made and then go to the tab Transition and select Morph Transition. By step-by-step PowerPoint, you can be an expert in your presentation. Don't forget, please subscribe our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thank you a lot.